Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you for asking.
What's your name?
My name is Shahriar Rahat Rafi. My nickname is Rafi. You may call me Rafi.
Okay, what do you do?
I'm a student. Recently, I have completed diploma in nursing science and midwifery, and right now I am a student at Rahat English Care.
How long have you been at Rahat English Care?
I have been staying Rahat English Care around 2 months plus.
Okay, so what are you learning here?
I am learning English, and English is an international language. A few months ago, I realized I need English. Also, my dream is to be English fluently and build a successful career.
Do you study at home?
Yes, I study at home.
After completing your class or after finishing your class, how long do you practice at home?
Our class finished around 11 a.m. and after that it's our own time and sleeping time, but I didn't sleep every day. I practice and my classmate, and also I talk to someone in mobile in my free time also.
Okay, so you use applications,
Yes,
you
I
use apps to practice.
Ji ma'am.
Which app?
I used right now Amar Partner apps and also Open Talk and Hello Talk, and I use talk to other person, and Hello Talk most of the people is others country.
Tell me your experience at Rahat English Care.
When I came to Rahat English Care, so I couldn't speak properly, so right now I can speak a little bit, and I satisfied. These 3 months I work hard every day, and right now I am satisfied. And Rahat English Care, all of teachers are good, and his teaching style is simple and very clear. And also our mentors is a very good person, and he is a amiable person, and he always encourages me how to speak properly.
Are you interested to learn new vocabs every day?
Every day maybe 10 or 20 new vocabulary I memorize. Not memorize, I practice this vocabulary and my colleagues and my classmates.
Thank you so much. It was nice talking to you. See you
Thank
soon.
you.